Hey people, so as you can see, I'm in the car with the love of my life, this little tiny rabbit, and she's been looking out of the window because this is the first time ever I'm holding her like this. And it's been my experience that animals enjoy going out as much as humans would. I mean, in fact, they are as good as little humans in this form, in this furry form. In fact, according to Eastern philosophy in Buddhism and in fact Hinduism and all, they say that we all it's like we all have been in different incarnations before we assume the human form. So in that case, Disha, I'm very happy to have met this little lady when she's in this rabbit incarnation because she is so adorable. We call her Ski, and there's another one here. But yeah, this, as inconvenient as this is, it's just so nice and so relaxing traveling with a little rabbit. So it's already a 1-minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.